Ona thengia ya wirutiri wa thirikari hari kuramata mititu bururi wa Kenya ukoretwo kiuru ni gicunji kia mutitu kia eka 12,000 oro mwaka kumana na mihang'o mugaru na watho ya utemi wa miti undu uria ucungiriirie thirikari hamwe na honge cia andu kiumbe undu umwe na muingi uria ikaraga kuwi na mititu guka hamwe niguo guthaitira mititu bururi-ini. Akiaria hingo ya uhadi wa miungurwa 10,000 ya kimerera mutitu-ini wa Ndudori kaunti ya Nakuru, murugamiriri munene wa mititu bururi-ini Julius Kamau augite itanya ria gukorwo bururi uhandite miti bilioni 1.8 mbere ya mwaka wa 2030 ria ya gukinyanirio mbere ya mwaka wa 2022 wari kumana na unyitaniri wa thirikari na honge cia andu kiumbe.
Strategically, we did agree that it's good for us to work together as partners, and you can see by opening doors for the Green Belt movement, they also went ahead to get other partners on board. And that's the power of partnership. And as a Kenya Forest Service, we have realized and we commit ourselves to working together with the forest adjacent communities. These are the communities who are basically the owners of the forest. We are just the custodian of this forest.
Uhadi uyu wa miti mutitu-ini wa Ndudori ni umwe wa mubango wa kugitira mutitu wa mau na njui iria ciumaga mutitu-ini uyu. Mihang'o iria ihaririirio ni ruhonge rwa Green Belt movement unyitaniri na ubaruthi wa bururi wa Faraja guku bururi-ini.
It's about biodiversity conservation and which is a key issue to preserve water tower, to also fight against climate change. And second, which is very important with this project, and this is a value bared by Green Belt movement, is to do it with the communities.
Iguru ria mutitu wa Ndudori ni mubango uratwarithio na mbere mutitu-ini wa Nandi ya rugongo na mutitu wa Tinderet iria ni mititu ya bata hari njui cia mutitu wa Mau.
We are fighting about resources. We are fighting about water, about pasture, and just ensuring that we have enough water, adequate water for people and their livestock, adequate water for all our users and our needs, adequate good natural environment. I think this is going to be a key step.
Uramati wa mititu bururi-ini ni umwe wa ikinya ria bata hari kugitira maria maturigiceirie undu umwe na kugacirithia mihang'o ya urimi, ugendi na ukuria wa hinya wa thitima. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nakuru, ritwa riakwa ni wa ng'ombe.